Hey, this is Akash and you are watching Ecology the Killer. So guys, in today's video series, I'm going to tell you about that how to write a program to print the hello world without using semicolon. So guys, in fact, in C language, if you are making any program without using semicolon, then it is impossible. But there is three methods to print hello world without using semicolon. So guys, before starting this, if you are new in my channel and still you have not subscribed my channel, so first of all subscribe it and hit the bell icon so that you can get the latest updates from my YouTube channel. So let's begin now. So first we will put our compiler. So now I'm going to open here dev C++. Okay, I'm using dev C++, and maybe you are using any compiler like Visual Studio Code and Turbo C++. Any compiler you are using doesn't matter, it will work as the same as it is working here. So first we will create here a new file, and the first method is which is using if statement. I am going to print here our program. So first we will use as include stdio.h, then we'll use int main functions. As you all know, in the previous video I have told you that without main functions you can't write your code. So now I'm using here if, and inside the if I will use here as a printf hello world, and my program will look like this, and will simply here return 0. So now let's check it that it is printing or not. So before checking this, it will requirement for save the program. So I am going to make it file as print hello world without semicolon, and we will change here as a C language. So now I will save here my program, and as you can see here that now it is working here hello world. And now there is the second options, which is I'm going to use here using switch statement. So now we will see that how it is working. So first of all we will comment out it and will create a new program. So as include stdio.h int main, and inside the int main I'm going to write and will use switch statement, and inside the switch we will write here also printf hello world, and will come out from the loop and will use so curly braces, and now I will return 0 at semicolon, and again it will run. As you can see here that it is also printing hello world. So next method is mine using loop statement. So that I will use as include stdio.h then int main. So first it will also comment out. So let me comment out it, and now we are in the main functions. So how it is working, so let's see here. I'm using here use while loop. So in while loop we will use exclamation mark and then printf, and also we will write here same thing as in the previous. So hello world, and now the program is written to print hello world, and will simply here return value return 0. So now we compile it again. So as you can see here that still it is working hello world. So There you have seen these three methods as using if statement, using switch statement, and using loop statement. So guys, if you like the video, so please thumbs up and do a valuable comment, and don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching.